Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Let us look at this interesting question, and it reads that if the square root of x plus 3 equals 3 minus the square root of x, find the value of x. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do first is to raise both sides by 2, okay? And this is to help us clear off this radical. So here we have that the square root of x plus 3 equals 3 minus the square root of x. Now by raising both sides by 2, we have this and we have this. So this radical clears off the square. So we are left with x plus 3 on the left hand side. And when we expand this, for clarity's sake, let me write here we have 3 minus the square root of x, then 3 minus the square root of x. So here we then have that x plus 3 then equals 3 times this 3, that will give us 9. So here you have 9, then minus, okay, then 3, then times negative square root of x, then that will give us 3, that will give us minus 3 the square root of x, and negative the square root of x times 3 will also give us the same thing. So here we have negative 3 the square root of x. The next one is negative square root of x times negative square root of x, then that will give us positive x. Okay, so at this point here we have x plus 3 then equals 9. Now if we take a look at this, you see they're of the same term, so which means when we add that, we have negative 6 the square root of x then plus 3. Okay, let's collect like them. Okay, now but let's just a quick one. You can see here you have x on the left hand side and you have x on the right hand side. Since both of them are positive and they are at opposite of each other, so you can just clear that off. So leaving behind 3 equals 9 minus 6 root x. So if we are to subtract 9 from both sides, so here you have minus 9 here you have minus 9 here. Now this gives us negative 6 then equals negative 6 the square root of x, and that's because 9 minus 9 will give us 0. Then negative 6 equals negative 6 the square root of x. Okay, and we know that here we have negative here and we have negative here. So we just need to do, let's just divide both sides by negative 6. So at the end of the day, this clears of this, we are left with 1. This clears of this, we are also left with 1. So here we have 1 equals the square root of x. We can just rearrange. We have the square root of x equals 1. So the next thing we need to do is to raise both sides by 2. Why? Because we need to find the value of x and not the value of the square root of x. So by this clears of these 2. We are left with x, and 1 raised to 2 is 1. So this is the value of x that satisfies the equation. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.